I want to speak to Angela.
You want to speak to Angela? I'm her husband.
Alright, so I'm calling from Windows Microsoft and I need to talk to her with regards to a problem.
She's not actually available to come to the phone. Are you able to solve it with me?
Okay, is she far away or she's not around?
She's just
Where is she now?
she's busy at the minute.
We fixed her computer and this is from Windows Microsoft. My name is Johnny.
This is Ankit, and he thinks it's acceptable to try and scam me for nearly £900. When I say me, I mean my female alias, Angela Lauder. And apparently he has fixed her computer before. I do actually remember scam baiting this company, but I did do a reveal at the end, so I'm not sure why he thinks that he scammed me before, but we'll let him go ahead with it anyway.
So she knows everything. So if I can talk, so that the purpose can be served.
Okay, could you just call me back in 5 minutes, please?
Thank you very much, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you.
So I anxiously await his call, and lo and behold, 5 minutes later, I get a call. This time, I answer with my voice changer enabled. Hello?
I'm calling from Windows. Right. This is a routine check call because we are still getting some suspicious messages from an email account that is outlook.com. You gave me that time.
Okay.
So you near the computer, for instance, right? Are you near your computer?
Yes.
Anyway?
Yes,
I can just go and check this one for you, please.
Yes, okay.
Okay. Can you please get on the computer? Get on the computer.
Okay, it's just loading up. Give me 1 minute.
Alright, take your time. HELP help, me help me.net,
Okay.
and press enter or OK.
Do you want to allow this program to make changes to this computer?
Yes. Yes, click yes.
Once he gains access to my computer, he then proceeds to run his scam. He actually uses some tactics which I don't see used too often by these tech support scammers. They were actually quite new to me. I'll show you these now.
Alright, it is encrypted. Device description. It's not there's a disk volume that cannot be protected with a BitLocker. You see the error that comes in here?
Yes, I see that.
Something that is not protected. It's a warning given by Windows Microsoft right here. And just check this one here. For the past few days I've been trying the number, okay? Just to help you fix it, okay?
Okay, I didn't realise. I apologise. We've all seen the tree command on these tech support scams before.
Security is not recognized in this computer. It says it's expired. Security is not recognized. Where exactly you have the problem, it has shown me everything right now. So out of these many things, I can pull up just one, okay?
Okay. And now netstat.
And this shows me exact result that yes, you do have a presence of people on the account of yours. Current connection, it shows more than 50 at least at this point.
Oh,
Which is showing
52.
up down at the bottom. And you see active connections, current
Yes.
connection there. And they're trying to reset your connection these many times, and they failed 19 times. This failed connection attempt, you see? They failed
Yes.
19 times. They're trying to reconnect your computer with a different IP address, which is not yours. But they're not able to get through this thing.
Right,
The
I
only
see.
thing that I can find out here, if I open your security panel on this computer, this perhaps will show me a result here. This is called McAfee right here. You see McAfee indeed down at the bottom?
Yes, yes.
Now, McAfee cannot run if you don't have this platform running. For instance, you have a car and you want to drive the car on the road, but the road is not available. So where would you drive the car without the road? It's just like that.
Yes.
It is a road, and you have McAfee inside it. But I must check it whether you have that platform ready or not. It shows me an error message. I was right. When I received the first mail from your side, it's an error message coming. It is issued by Windows Microsoft, this certificate. This is called IP network certificate. You see, you do have a bug in this computer which is way too fatal on this machine. I want to show you that. If you see here, this CSRSS bug I see here, not just one, there are exactly two. One,
This is another classic one.
have you heard about this CSRSS bug?
Never.
Have you heard about that?
Never.
Take a look here. Take a look here. You will get your idea and you will get your answer about everything, okay?
Okay.
You take a look here. I typed the name of this bug in Google, and let's see what is the first search that comes in Google, you see?
Trojan.
And I click the first link here, and you can read the lines. You can read through the lines here. You understand what exactly you're dealing with now. Read it.
Hidden monitoring software that tracks your personal information, such as credit card, social security, ID, email addresses. Oh no, this doesn't sound good.
You can just let me know that which one you are better off, and I can just accordingly go ahead and help you fix it right away.
Well,
As per your choice and need, I'm going to just give you this one right now. Which one can I do for you?
maybe the 4 years.
You want 4 years, right?
Yes, please. Here we can see the scammer trying to upsell me. They do this because they make commission on all of their sales.
And I do have a live control on this one here, 899. What I can do, you are a privileged customer of mine. Instead of 899, you can only give me 699. 699, you get £200 of that discount, and 699 you get the live control. It means you're done for your life.
Okay, let's
Will
do
that
that
be taken
then.
care of now?
Let's
6
do
months?
that.
All right, great. Great. I have the information in my accounts for you. You can just let me know this one. Your name, your number, and it's right here. Just bear with me a minute.
Okay.
It's this one only.
The reason he has this information is because previously I would have been placed onto what's called a leads list. These lists are used by scammers to share information about victims and are commonly bought and sold between call centres.
Angela, that's your email. That's
Yes.
the name, and give me is just that. That's the name, complete name,
Correct?
and this is the phone number, and that's the email address, right?
That's correct.
All right. So thank you very much. And which card do you want to use for this time now?
We will use my my Visa card.
Okay. Give me the long number.
I then tell him my bank details are saved on my computer. He then spends quite a while rummaging around the computer looking for them, so I'll skip this bit.
It's nowhere to be found now. I tried my level best finding it, but it is not there.
I
When
don't.
did you save it? At least you can tell me that.
I told you on my desktop.
So, ma'am, what am I supposed to do now? You tell me. If the card is not with you, it is with your husband now. So where is your husband now?
He's out shopping.
He went shopping, right?
Yes.
All right. So, ma'am, if you can call your husband up and you can just take the details over the phone, can this be done? Very easy one.
Well, maybe I can.
Since it's needed now.
Well, I'd feel more comfortable waiting until he's back.
I'm sorry?
Could we not just wait until he's back?
When will he come back?
Probably about half an hour.
Does he carry a mobile phone with him? Does he carry a phone?
Yes, he does.
If he does, you simply give him a call and ask him the number over the phone. It's very simple. If you can do that only.
But he's in the middle of a
If you
shop.
can do that,
He's in the shop.
I'm sorry.
He's in the shop. He's not going to want to say that out loud.
So in the meantime, I can start off my work here. Okay? I should be waiting till next half an hour. Is that okay?
Thank you.
You please try to get in touch with him now. If possible, really, you can just take the details over the phone. Otherwise, I'm waiting. Don't worry. Okay? I'm waiting and working on the computer now. Okay?
Okay, I'm going to hang up so I can phone him.
All right. Thank you very much.
Thank you. From this point onwards, I have remote access to his computer, so I can see everything he's doing. So now, I'll give him a set of fake card information so he can try and process the payment. You'll shortly see the scammer screen as he makes multiple attempts at trying to take a payment. Then, shall I type it so it's easier?
Type the full name. Your complete name, sorry.
My husband's name.
I'm going to start my work on this computer. It takes a few more minutes. Once I'm done with it, I'll give you a ring back, okay?
Okay, thank you. Here, the scammer is trying to take the payment. Of course, because I've provided him with fake bank details, the payment's not going to go through. He seems to think there's a problem with the address I've given him, so we can see that he's looking the address up now. After typing a message to his scammer colleague, he then phones me back to try and confirm the postcode. Yes,
Please
it's
confirm this postal code is right.
B41WU. That's correct, yes.
Okay, this one is correct.
Yes.
I think the address that you provided me is incorrect.
It can't be.
See, the card issued on this address or a different address.
This address.
This address.
Yes.
How can it be possible? Because the postal code is not matching up.
I don't understand why.
Okay, I gotta check in my system here. Give me just 2 minutes, please, okay? Just a
Okay,
minute.
no problem.
Alright.
Computer. Oh,
What is your province or estate?
it's West Midlands.
Province or estate?
West Midlands.
Oh, I used to live in West Midlands long time ago.
Oh, did you? Whereabouts?
Okay. It was in Coventry. Heath
Oh,
Road.
oh, very nice.
Yes, because I used to work in the McDonald's, right?
Oh, okay.
Which was indeed wonderful.
Yeah.
This was a long time back story when I was in the UK. So would you mind placing in hold for next 1 minute because I'm checking something in my system. So please stay put, okay?
That's no problem.
Just 2 minutes, please.
Okay. He then tries to verify the card number that I've given him, and then makes multiple more attempts at taking payment from the card. After this, it seems that he caught on that I was scam baiting. He didn't call back for quite a while. Overnight, he must have called me about 20 times, however. So I'm awaiting another call today, and there will be follow-up videos on this particular scammer. After gaining remote access to his computer, I had a look through his files, and in his files were lots of identity documents, including an identity card and bank statements, and upon taking a look at these bank statements, we can see that he earns around 50,000 rupees every 2 weeks from stealing people's money. This translates into about 500 British pounds, or around 660 US dollars. I can't show any other details other than the incoming amount to protect privacy, which I don't agree with, but I have to comply with to post this video on YouTube. I also have his call centre address for when he's not working from home, and many pictures of him. I've also downloaded a load of Excel spreadsheets which are full of customer data, so I'll be sure to call some of these victims in an upcoming video. Another interesting file I found was one of his scripts for one of the scams he runs. You can see that on the screen now. Unfortunately, after about 2 days of observing the scammer doing nothing but torrenting movies, he decided to install an antivirus. This would inevitably disable our remote input, so we had no choice but to wipe his computer of all his files and then place a system lock on it. This was actually observed by Kuds when I was live streaming on YouTube, so I couldn't do it myself, but you will see a recording of Kuds deleting everything and then placing the system lock. Please do stay tuned for follow-up videos on this particular scammer, because any more information that I get on him and any more calls that I do receive from him, I will be putting together into future videos. Thank you very much for watching this one. Please leave a like, comment and subscribe to the channel, and remember to turn on notifications, and I will see you in the next one. Goodbye.